Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would unbox our Allure beauty box for the month of March. And I actually just now got this, so I received this on the 18th of March. It's a little bit late, but I think I've gotten it later in the month in the past, so I think this is pretty standard. This box is $15 a month, and they are doing some full size and sample size items now, so you should get a bit of a mixture. I think you're gonna probably get more smaller sample size products, but every box that I've gotten since their little revamp and like improvement of their box has been really good. So let's go ahead and pull some things out. They've been doing this little bag, which is like vinyl material, and this one is like milky white. I actually think this is kind of cool looking because you can see a little bit of what's in there, but you can't see everything. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. The first thing I see is a mask. This is it's by BioBell Botanic Fiber Facial Mask. It's called #Stay Gorgeous. This one's hydrating and nourishing. There was an option to get the Glow Recipe Watermelon Jelly Mask, which I definitely probably would have preferred over this just because I like that one a lot. But this one will be new and something to try out. So this one's paraben-free, gluten-free, no GMOs, with natural extracts. So that's pretty cool. All right, next I have the Belief True Cream Aqua Balm. So I am more on the dry side, so this one's really not suited for me. This one's great for someone who is more on the oily side, and I have heard really good things. I would be a little bit better suited for the moisturizing balm with my skin type. Next I have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. So I have tried the moisturizer in this line, and I actually really liked it. I used it up completely, so I had a good experience with that one, but I have not tried the serum. Okay, next I have the Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. So I have a product that has blue tansy in it, but I'm assuming this is more of a just blue tansy oil is what I'm seeing. Outside the box it's like completely nondescript. There's no labeling or anything on it. And okay, this is a little roller ball. Feels nice. It's a nice thin oil. So this is my oiled up hand. This is my crusty dry hand. But yeah, feels pretty nice. It's definitely got more of that shiny finish of the oil, but we'll see how it dries down. And this is $12.99 for a full ounce. This little guy is 0.3 ounces, so not quite a third of the product. I have the Mamonde Rose Water Toner. I think I got something from the same brand in my last Allure box. I'll have that video linked below for you guys, but I'm pretty sure I got something from this brand. I don't know if it was this exact product. I would hope not. I don't think that it was. And the full size goes for $23. Okay, it looks like this one's a full size. This is the Au Naturel Cream Multi-Stick. So this goes for $35. Hey, buddy. He just wants to be in all my videos. So this definitely looks like a full size. This is the actual product here. And the oil is sinking in nicely. Still got a little healthy shine on the skin. So I'm gonna swatch this. So there is the cream multi-stick. This is in the shade Grapefruit. It's a nice springy color. Hey. So it says this is a multi-stick, so I'm assuming you can use this for blush, maybe do it on the eyes, I'm not sure, maybe on the lips. And then I kind of blended and diffused that out. I don't know if you'll be able to see it well now. There we go. I'm not usually much of a cream blush person. I will definitely give this a try. It's got a beautiful color. It kind of similar to Orgasm from NARS. Why couldn't I think of that brand? But if you like a cream blush stick, this one seems to blend out really nicely, and the color is really pretty. We also have the Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade OG. I don't believe that I have this shade. I don't have a lot of Tarte matte lip paints. I think these are a bit drying on the lips if I'm being 100% honest. This looks like a really pretty color though, but maybe I can hydrate my lips before putting this on. This is a pretty thin formula, but I just felt like this consistency dried down a little dry for me. But this is a really good value. So this is a full size and it goes for $20. So if you just look at these two products alone, that's a $55 value. So that was everything in our bag. We got a lipstick, got a toner, we got a sheet mask, got a little serum, a little moisturizer, got that blue tansy oil, and then our blush stick. Not a bad deal for 15 bucks. I really love that they are incorporating the full-size items, and even though maybe these weren't my all-time favorite full-size items, I just think it's really nice, and the ones in the past have really been blowing me away. So I think Allure is doing a great job of like stepping up their game, and I am consistently more and more happy with them. So I'm definitely sticking with them for now. If you guys like these type of videos, make sure to leave me a thumbs up and let me know, or comment below what your favorite type of unboxings are. I think Minners wanted to be in the video. Yeah, he said subscribe. What else? And make sure to give this...
Don't mess up my makeup, bro.
Okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. So I keep forgetting to add my dad joke. So you're gonna see this clip at the end of like 4 different videos. Again, if you guys do not like the dad joke, then thank you so much for watching at this point. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see it, let's get into the dad joke. I knew I shouldn't have had the seafood. I'm feeling a little eel.